Day in the life of a homeschooler on a small farm. First, we gotta say hello to Nugget. Then I'll make breakfast. While that cooks, we grab an egg, plop the egg into the pan. Place some turkey pieces down. Grab the toast from the air fryer. While that cooks, we put stuff away. Now you spread butter on the bread. Now we eat breakfast. Eating, we go check on the chicks. Now we say hi to the chicks. Hello! I'm here to check your water and your food. Looks like they need food and water. You guys are so messy. Yes. You guys are so messy. Look at them all. Hello. Okay, we got their water and their food. Let's give it to them. There you guys go. Ma'am, get down. Don't you dare. Don't. Get down. Get down. This is your own fault. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, we're gonna shut this up now. All right, now we're gonna go check on the big chickens. So these are the normal treats for chickens, but we got them these. So let's see how they react. We're also gonna be giving the goats hay. So look forward to that. Hey, chickies. All right, time to see the reaction. You guys like them? What do you guys think? Lightning, you want to try it? Do you like it? Do you like them? No? Yes? I think they prefer their dried mealworms over dried crickets. Give the goats hay. Yeah. Hey! I like to jump up in here while I grab it. Grab them a chunk. We give it to them. Come on, goats! They'll follow me. Then I put it in their basket. All right, well, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.